Stop. You have been eating green plums or Maesil the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, your strategic guide to the high-performance chemistry hidden in ancient wisdom. Most people in the West see the green plum as just a decorative fruit, while in the East, it's often reduced to a sugary syrup or a diluted tea. But by consuming them unripe and raw, or ignoring their specific organic acid to sugar ratio, you are neutralizing the most potent blood alkalizing and gut resetting medicine in the botanical world. To understand the true power of Maesil, we have to look back at its deep roots in ancient medicine, where it was hailed as the medical king of fruits. It was the ultimate survival kit for travelers, used to prevent food poisoning and neutralize the toxic byproducts of fatigue. This isn't just a plum. It is a high-tech biological engine designed to recalibrate your internal pH and shield your digestive lining from pathogenic invasion. When we dive into the nutritional matrix of Maesil, the results are a masterclass in organic chemistry. While most fruits are prized for their vitamins, Maesil is an absolute powerhouse of citric acid and picric acid. In fact, Maesil contains several times more citric acid than a lemon. This isn't just about sourness. Citric acid is the primary fuel for your Krebs cycle, the chemical engine that produces ATP energy in every cell of your body. But the real secret is the picric acid, a rare compound that has been scientifically shown to stimulate liver function and help your body break down chemical toxins and foodborne pathogens. When you consume Maesil correctly, you aren't just eating, you are providing your body with a targeted chemical signal to dissolve lactic acid and stabilize your blood alkalinity. The health benefits of this green doctor are especially profound for your digestive stability and your fatigue recovery. The massive dose of organic acids in Maesil acts as a natural digestive spark, stimulating the secretion of saliva and gastric juices to break down heavy proteins and fats. For your blood, Maesil works as a powerful alkalizing agent. Even though it tastes acidic, once metabolized, it leaves an alkaline residue that helps neutralize the acidic blood state caused by high-stress lifestyles and excessive meat consumption. Moreover, the unique catechins in Maesil work as a natural antibiotic, inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria like H. pylori and E. coli in your gut. It is a complete internal sanitization and energy system wrapped in a tart green skin that keeps your body's internal systems running with peak precision. However, the reason I told you that you are eating it wrong is due to the raw cyanide trap and the sugar overload. This is critical. You must never eat raw green Maesil. The seeds and flesh of unripe green plums contain a compound called amygdalin, which can release cyanide in your stomach and cause severe poisoning. To eat Maesil right, it must be processed through fermentation, pickling, umeboshi, or long-term extraction in alcohol or syrup for at least 100 days, a process that safely breaks down the amygdalin while concentrating the organic acids. Furthermore, most commercial Maesil syrups are 50% refined sugar. This insulin spike counteracts the fruit's ability to alkalize your blood. To get the maximum benefit, look for long-aged 3+ years extracts or sugar-free fermented pastes that have converted the sugars into medicinal enzymes. Of course, even a life-saving superfood like Maesil requires some strategy. Because it is highly effective at stimulating gastric acid, people with active stomach ulcers or severe heartburn should avoid high concentrations of Maesil extract on an empty stomach. Additionally, because of its potent detoxifying effect on the liver, it can sometimes trigger a mild healing crisis in people with high toxic loads. Most importantly, always choose the Chong Maesil, green plum, for digestive issues, and the more ripened Huang Maesil, yellow plum, if you are looking for higher aromatic content and a smoother, more alkaline profile. Selecting a superior nutrient-dense Maesil is a game of firmness and seed. If you are fermenting your own, avoid plums that are bruised or have wet spots, as these will rot during fermentation. Look for plums that are rock hard, vibrant green, and have a clear, fuzz-covered skin. The ultimate secret is the seed test. If you crack a plum and the seed is soft or brown, it was picked too early and the organic acid profile is incomplete. You want plums harvested after the mangjong season, early June, when the seed is fully hardened and the medicinal concentration is at its peak. Once you have your processed Maesil extract or pickled plums, storage is about aging. Unlike most fruits, Maesil medicine actually improves with time. A Maesil extract aged for 5 years is significantly more potent and biologically stable than one aged for 6 months. Keep your extracts in glass, away from direct sunlight. By choosing long-aged versions and avoiding the raw seeds, you are turning a tart plum into a powerful cornerstone of your health strategy. Stop treating Maesil as just a sweet drink and start treating it as the metabolic and digestive miracle it truly is. Your gut, your liver, and your energy levels will thank you.